Hi everyone, it's Nicole, and I am doing a YouTube hop with Finders Keepers today. So look on my YouTube channel and you'll see the video that I did with this collection and a whole bunch of other people doing the YouTube hop. But I thought I would do an unboxing and show you what I got in the kit, and then you can go to my other video and see what page I made. So this is their new collection. It's called Puddle Jumper. And I'll have all the information on Finders Keepers in the description box below. Now, I did ask them if they ship to Canada, because when you go on the site and you try to order, you can't. So you have to contact them, and then they'll give you a price about how much the shipping is and everything. So these are stickers. So they sent me 2 sheets of the stickers. They're cute. And then they sent me some cardstock so that I could do my layout. So they sent me a gray one, a purple one, a blue one, a pink one, and another gray one with some texture. So I like that. Then let's go through the collection. This is called Puddle Jumper Pennies from Heaven. So this side is some border strips that are cut apart, and this side is a sheet of some umbrellas. Now they sent me 2 sheets of everything, so I'll have tons of pattern paper. Now this one is black and it looks like rain that's going sideways, and then like where it splatters, and then the back side is some cut apart 3x4 and 4x6 card. The next one is called Puddle Jumper Drizzling, and this side has some cut aparts, and this side is almost like a distressed looking background. So again, 2 of each. This one is a sheet of raindrops, and this one is called Puddle Jumper Let It Rain. So this is the A side and the B side. And then this one is Puddle Jumper Raining, and it's a bunch of umbrellas and then some clouds on this side in pink. Is it clouds? Yeah, I think it's clouds, or circles. I think it's clouds. And then the last one is, it's just Puddle Jumper. And this is the B side and this is the A side. So it's got some distress and then some rubber boots with a puddle, and then just like little clouds up here. So that's it. I want to show you what I got in my kit, and next I'll be doing a layout. So we'll see you there.